I'm going to show you how to use the Ruffler. This is what it looks like. It's kind of crazy and intimidating, but it's really actually pretty fun and easy. This is what it looks like when it's done. And you can use it for all kinds of stuff. We were just talking about you could put on a collar this way or this way, on your sleeve, on a little butt of a little person, on a pant. There's no end to uses of this. So to put it on the machine, you keep your ankle on. I always accidentally take my ankle off. For some reason, I just always think it should go. It's one of those feet, but it's not. And you want to make sure this little dude, you want to make sure this goes over your needle bar right here. So, we're going to get in, it sits right there. Yes, we are sewing on a Janome M7 today. And then I just hit my foot down to click it right on, clicks right on. You do want to make sure your needle's in the right position because this has single needle holes, so I just do like a needle up and down just to make sure I'm in line with the Ruffler there. And if you get it straight out of the package, you might want to loosen this screw because they keep it really tight. And that's just, you'll do test sew and see like that's too tight. You want to loosen this to the correct spot. And then you're gonna put there's two sections you can put your fabric. You put your fabric all the way in, which I usually do this way, and then I trim. So I leave myself enough seam allowance to do that. Or you can kind of put it through this guide here, and that's a shorter sort of seam allowance, but I feel that I get better results with the bigger one. I don't know if that's really true, if it's just in my head, but either way. And then you're gonna make sure your foot is down, and it's just, and right now I'm on the star here. You see there's a guide. This is like how roughly your ruffles are, if that it's like the depth of the ruffle. So the star is like no ruffle. And you always, when you're putting it on, I always have it on the star, and I kind of feed my fabric through on that. And then you can also do a little test sew on the star. It won't ruffle. It's just so you can kind of see. Oops, I'm not quite on the fabric. So I'm just gonna make it little, there we go. Tuck it in just a little further. And just do a little test sew. Okay, it's good. And now we're gonna put it on the deepest ruffle, because the bigger the better, right? And then I kind of just feed it through in the beginning so it doesn't get caught. And that's it. Scissor. Boom. You just embellished. I love it.